Hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Himaly hair clipper with a model number K8. On the description, this clipper got 8 watts, 2500 milliamp battery, and I bought it from Amazon. This is the manual. It's 2 versions, one with LCD display and the other one without. So I bought the one without. It reminds me of Kemi 1976, I guess. I'm not that so sure, but I will put the picture right here. So, the charging cable, little brush, oil, and we got 4 guides. And this is the clip. So this is the clipper. Never heard of that before. The charging port. The power button, and the range. Got a fade blade, and it is a little bit difficult to zero gap. So in case if you gonna buy something like this, it's a little bit difficult to be zero gapped. So let's make an RPM test. .6 volts, it's a little bit less.